In this video, I will show you how to change search engine in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to change your search engine, maybe you've got it set to like Bing or Yahoo, and you want to change it to something like Google, for example, then the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got your Chrome browser opened. Now, you're going to see for myself, when I click to open a new tab, my search engine is currently set to Bing. To change this, all you need to do from Google is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. Once you've done that, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you're going to see a option for search engine. Give that a click. As you can see, mine is set to Microsoft Bing, so all you need to do from here is click the change button and choose the search engine that you want to change to. For example, if I wanted to change to Google, I would click onto Google and then click the set as default button. As you can see, Google is now your default search engine, so when I now open a new tab, you can see instead of Microsoft Bing, it's now going to load up Google search. Now, what you can also do if you want the search to load up as soon as you open up your Chrome browser is if you actually come over to the left hand side on your settings, click the on startup option, and what you want to do is select the option which says open a specific page or set of pages. What you can then do is click the add a new page link, and you can simply add the website URL. In this case, that's going to be google.com. So I'm going to type that here, click onto add, and once that's been set, the next time you open your Chrome browser, it's going to automatically open up on your search engine. So that is how to change search engine on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.